Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. Today I just unpacked this lovely box and this lovely perfume looking at you. It's Place Vendôme Boucheron. In our city, Toronto, I don't see much Boucheron in the main stores. They kind of decreased sales of this brand, and as I was start wondering why. They're gonna remove it from the shelves and only put it in a few drugstores, or maybe even not. So I start hunting for this one, not just for this one, for any Boucheron stuff, and I noticed that there's nothing much left. And then I discovered this Pleasure. I applied it on myself now. It's very soft. It's not boost in the face. It's like elegancy and decency in a flacon. It's enveloping smell. It's like honey and sweet and vanilla and feminine, but businesswoman style. It's like some businesswomen don't apply heavy perfumes, but they also don't like fresh perfumes, like we call it like a cotton shirt, white cotton shirt perfumes. No, but this one is very businessy. It's not gonna kill someone and you making a business meeting, and it's just a whiff. If you apply it a little bit, I think it's just appropriate, even to go for the business meeting or the office. If you're the boss, why not? Look at this bottle. The light is going this different ways, and it's like at Place Vendôme in Paris. The ground. This is what they wanted to show. Main accords: sweet, floral, honey, citrus, floral, amber, rose, fresh, soft, spicy, warm, spicy. Created in 2013. The perfumers Olivier Cresp and Nathalie Lorson. Top notes: orange blossom, tangerine, pink pepper, and rose. Middle notes are honey and jasmine and peony. Base are benzoin and cedar. And it says here about the description why it's called this way. Boucheron represent a new women fragrance after name of Place Vendôme. The address in Paris, Place Vendôme 26. Frederic Boucheron opened his first jewelry store in 1893. The perfume symbolized 150 years light of gems that have passed through this house. A woman who wears Boucheron is conceived as independent, free, self-reliant, and confident. That's for sure. A story rather than a face. A story of light. While Paris continued to dream, the sunrise rays slide over the rooftops. The dome of the Invalides become a gigantic gold flower. The sun continues to rise, its rays crossing the arcades. Shadows slip from the Vendôme column, which points majestically the number 26. In a white light, she appears. She's the heroine. On her skin, ephemeral finery of enhance the glow found deep within each woman. Boucheron Place Vendôme. The composition floral, woody. It opens with fresh pink pepper, illuminating delicate orange blossom and rose, jasmine petals, and full floral, and peony, and cedar and benzoin in a base. So I'm very happy I got this one. I start noticing not many left, and I thought, well, I just save again the last of her Mohicans, as I call it, because it's gonna disappear from the shelves and maybe just move only online. And after that, what are you gonna do? You're gonna pay for your delivery and customs and anything, whatever, while you can still buy it at the store. So that's what I did. It's not revolutionary, but on the other hand, it's not how you call it, unusual. It's like unusual in a decent way. It's like very soft for women. It was their level. Who doesn't want to cry about it? It's just it's there. I'm happy I have this little perfume now. I'm gonna hunt. This is 4 version of this. The first one, 2013, and then it goes elixir in gold. It's like the same, but these everything is gold. Then it goes white gold and rosé. Well, if you start collecting those Boucheron things, then you literally stuck with that. So I'm happy. At least I have one in my collection. I have another Boucheron perfumes, which is Jaipur, I think, in my collection, and I made a video. Maybe later down the road I will show them both together in my collection, and so far so good. I'm happy. It's you don't expect much from this, but it's just enough to be bought. It's just enough. If you find a decent price, grab it, because I bought it cheaper than I saw it online. That's why snoop around, look at the lower shelves. If you see something on the lower shelves, you're golden, like Boucheron. Bye for now. More later. I'm your silver butterfly. All the best, guys.